Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Thursday, June 18th. Markets were steady yesterday, sold off some, then rallied with the FOMC talk, and then finished unchanged. 2089 and a quarter, up a quarter was the E-mini S&P finish. Dow futures unchanged, 17,826. The Nasdaq was up 2.5 at 44.54, so holding ground after this bounce off the bottom. The dollar slid down 77 at 94.49, giving the euro a kick to the upside, 113.47, up 93. So that's the story on the euro crisis. We'll have to see. Bond market steady, down a little bit, down 13, 151.03, kind of stalled right here at this 150 level. Rates not going much higher, but not going much lower either. Crude oil traded in a range, 61.40 was a high, 58.85 was a low, ended up closing relatively unchanged right around the 60 level, imagine that, at 59.90, down a nickel. And lastly, to round things out, gold was down $4, 11.77, no kick up even though the dollar had the sell-off. So after the mix action and the unchanged finish yesterday, where did the market stand here on this Thursday morning? Well, we're seeing a little positive action. We're up 5 in the E-mini S&P, 2094 up 5. 2100 is that key pivot to keep an eye on. 17,879 is where the Dow is at, up 53 points right now. And the Nasdaq's up 12 and a quarter at 66 and a half. The dollar continues to move lower, down 63 at 93.87. Keep an eye on this 95 level as a pivot on a weekly basis. That's given the euro another boost to the upside, 114.17, up 70. Treasuries are steady, up 8 points at 151.10, still hanging around this level. The yields right now in the 30-year, 306, 10-year note is 229. Seeing a little bit of positive action in crude oil, 61.20 is where we're trading at right now, up 85 cents, back above the $60 level. And the mover of the morning, it's gold, up $22, a little delayed reaction to this dollar slide. It's standing at $11.99. Again, we keep talking about 1,200. Let's see what happens by week's end. That's a wrap of where we're at so far this morning. We've got the stock index futures up a bit. We're up 5 in the E-mini S&P. We're up 53 in the Dow futures. And we're up 12 and a half in the Nasdaq to start the morning. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.